A friend of mine has given this solar charge controller to me for my birthday. Now, this thing is there to protect your batteries from overcharging. So it seems that many people believe this is the thing that's charging the batteries. Not totally untrue. The big thing is it's actually preventing overcharging, so it's stopping the charging. And okay, then if you look at this configuration, you will see I haven't got my solar charger here or solar charge controller over here. But if I connect this battery over here, you'll see this negative is directly connected to the solar cell. The positive is just running through a multimeter. The only reason is so that we can see the rate at which it's charging. No solar charge controller needed to charge your battery. But if you are going to overcharge this battery, it can even explode. I haven't seen a lead acid ever explode, but I have seen batteries exploding. It's definitely going to damage it. Okay, so you do need a solar charge controller for that. Over here you will see I've got now no battery connected, nothing except the solar cell, and I'm checking the voltage coming out of the solar cell. You will see it's about 20 volts. That's normally what you will get. It's actually a little bit low at this stage, 19.4. Sometimes it goes up to 21 volts. You will see over here I'm just checking the voltage on the battery, and this is 14.1 volts, actually a little bit high. So now if you connect your solar cell to your battery, what are you going to expect to get? Is it going to be 20 volts or 14 volts? So let's check it to see. You will see the voltage then is a little bit in between the 20 volts and the 14 volts, the voltage of the solar cell and the voltage of the battery. So what's happening is the voltage of the solar cell is being pulled down, the voltage of the battery is being pulled up. You will see it's actually closer to the voltage of the battery. So this will give us an identification of what's happening with the solar charge controller. Here you will see what I've done is mostly on your left hand side, I almost want to say always, you will have to connect your solar cell. Firstly the positive and then the negative. In the middle you connect your battery, and also positive and then negative. Then over here you connect your load. Okay. Also a nice feature on this little solar charge controller is you can push the button to switch on the load. You can even see when it is switched on. You can see when there's a voltage coming in from your solar cell. Although testing it, I saw there's a little bit of a hassle with that. This is your standard layout. So you will see over here I've connected my multimeter onto the voltage that's coming from the solar cell. You will see the solar cell, normally as I've showed you previously, the solar cell, the voltage should be 20 volts. It's now 13.15. And the reason being is that the voltage of the battery is obviously pulling it down. Okay, so what is happening over here is there's a connection between the voltage from the solar cell and the voltage from the battery. Okay, this is where the battery is switched on, or the load is switched on. You can switch it off. You'll see the light disappears over there. There we go, switches on again. This is actually an indication of the voltage on the battery. We cannot really see it now because of there's a little bit too much light out here at this stage. So, but that is a good indication of the voltage. Now at some stage you will see the voltage will go up so high over there, the voltage of the battery, that it disconnects the battery from the solar cell. Already it seems that the voltage is increasing a little bit every now and again. You will see the voltage on the multimeter and the solar cell is now 19.3 or something. That is more than you can expect to be on the battery. We can quickly test it to prove that exact thing. So what we can do, just disconnect it very carefully, reconnect it over there, same thing on this side. Okay, so voltage over there, down to 16 again. Let's just switch off this light. 19. Okay, what's the voltage on the battery? Voltage on the battery, 13. So you will see this means that there is now a disconnection between the solar cell and the battery. This is what the voltage regulator is doing for us.